Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to draw ellipse. To draw ellipse, you can type ellipse, or the other option you can use these ellipse tools. There are three options to use ellipse. First from center, the second with axis N, and the third with elliptical arch. So in here I will use this center option. We need to specify for the center point. I will click at this point. And then I will move to drag here. We set into 50 for length. And then in vertical, I will set into 25. So it will be draw this ellipse. The next, we can use ellipse by using axis and ends. You can click. For the first, I will click in here. And the second, move to drag, I will set it to 100. And then for vertical, set into 25. And the third option, we can use this elliptical arch. You can click. And for the first end, I will click at this point. For the seconds, I will set into 100. This. And then in here, we set into 25 for other axis or the axis. The next, for the parameter of angle arch, I will use a 45 degree. Press enter. Now you can see, can create this elliptical ellipse. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial how to draw ellipse. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.